To Mama. Thank you.
Can you help Mom? Can you bring it all the way over? Walk over. No, not to me. Give it. Can you bring it to Mama?
Here. Give it to Mama. Oops. Give it to Mama. Here, baby. Can I have it? You don't like that one? How about this one? He wants the computer. Oh, give this to Mama. Here. Jonah, can I have that ornament? Give it to Mama. There you go.